Hello teacher, today I'm practice homework for day 12. Phonogram. D a d doll. D a d doll. I hill. I hill. And blending. Tell. Tell is verb crop. Prap. Oh my god. Mill. Mill is verb cần is noun ម៉ាស៊ីនកិនស្រូវ pill pill is noun គ្រាប់ថ្នាំ g a ga gal gal is verb long. Spill is verb កំពុក still is adjective នៅតែបន្ត Now I'm practice homework. 1. Pick a picnic spot. ជ្រើសរើសកន្លែង picnic មួយ ឬកន្លែងញ៉ាំអាហារមួយ 2. Sit still on the rock. Sit still on the rock. បន្តអង្គុយនៅលើព្រំ 3. Mom is sick. Mom is sick. Mom គឺឈឺ ម៉ែឈឺច្រឡំ 4. Dad tell Nana that. Dad tell Nana that Mom is ill. ប៉ាប្រាប់លោកយាយថាម៉ាក់ឈឺ Then Dad asked Nana to get milk in a glass and Mom's pills. បន្ទាប់មកប៉ាបានសួរយាយទៅយកទឹកដោះគោនៅក្នុងកែវហើយនឹងថ្នាំរបស់ម៉ាក់ 5. Nana gets the milk and pills. Nana gets the milk and pills. លោកយាយបានទៅយកទឹកដោះគោហើយនឹងថ្នាំ Okay teacher, thank you. Goodbye. See you next lesson.